Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage mentions, notifications, settings on Instagram threads. Easy and quick. If you want to manage it, all you have to do first go to your profile and then go to these two lines here and then go to notifications, and after that once you're here all you have to do just click on threads and replies and scroll down. Here you will find mentions, notifications. Now you can turn it off, just click off, or you can turn it on from everyone or only from people you follow, and then just go back. It will be saved as you see here, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.